What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Nessa Slays, and I'm here to talk to you about these new beauty bombs from Kiss New York Professionals. They contacted me and told me that they want to send me their new matte beauty bombs so that I could try them out and give them a little review. And so here is what the box that the product came in looks like. So shout out to Kiss New York Pro for sending me this package. I really appreciate it. All right guys, so they sent me a couple shades and this is what the product looks like. This is a matte BB cream which controls acne, helps clear acne, so it's perfect for combination and or blemish prone skin. It covers, is full coverage, and it conceals. So this, and it also has a matte finish. So this BB cream, is perfect. It's full coverage and is maximum strength because it also does have salicylic acid beads, which helps in the improvement of your acne. So this is perfect for on the go, and if you want something that's lightweight but also full coverage, this BB cream is the way to go. I'm excited to try these. I'm gonna give you guys a little swatch of the shade range that I got. So let's start with Cappuccino. This is what the packaging looks like outside its individual box. This is the shade Cappuccino. This is what Cappuccino looks like. So that was Cappuccino. Up next we have Chestnut. And this is what Chestnut looks like. This is for my chocolate peoples. And so that was Chestnut. Up next we have Caramel. So this is what Caramel looks like. So that's Caramel. Up next we have Coconut. And this is what Coconut looks like. That's Coconut. Next we have Toffee. And this is what Toffee looks like. That is Toffee. And last but not least, we have Rich Mahogany. And this is what Rich Mahogany looks like. So we have Rich Mahogany, Toffee, and Coconut on this side. And on this side we have Caramel, Cappuccino, and Chestnut. Honestly guys, as you can see, these are full coverage just by the swatches. A little is going to go a long way with these. So just a little bit and you get the full coverage that you need. It's perfect. It is perfect. I am going to pick the color that's closest to my skin just so that I could see, just so I could show you guys what it looks like on the skin. I might have to mix two of these to get my perfect shade, but yes, I'll be right back. So here I mixed the coconut and the toffee to get my perfect shade. I still have to clean this side, but I am between the toffee and the coconut, and as you can see, all I left was the 2 swatches that were there and just mixed them. And like I said, a little goes a long way, because this is just from the swatch that I had on my cheek. I didn't add anything else, and it's definitely full coverage compared to this side. Do you see that, guys? How perfect this BB cream looks. And it's definitely lightweight, and it doesn't make you feel like you have a whole bunch of makeup on, which is perfect. Your skin can still breathe while it has full coverage, so it is perfect. Props to you, Kiss New York professionals, because y'all did it with this BB cream. And this brand is a brand that is in your local beauty supply store, your cosmetic store, drugstore. So this company is very affordable. So it's perfect. It's affordable. It helps. It has benefits. So it helps with your with the clearing of your skin, and a little goes a long way. So this BB cream is definitely perfect. I definitely recommend this. So just check your local beauty supply stores, and if they do have it, I strongly suggest that you do buy it, because this is definitely a go-to. This is definitely a good investment. So thumbs up to you for your matte beauty balm. So that's how I feel. I should definitely do the rest of my face before I... So this is basically coconut, and this is toffee, and this is all I need just to cover this whole side of the face. So this is what I did on the previous side. As you can see, just with that, I have this whole side covered. See, you guys, so a little definitely goes a long way, and it's perfect. You see that finish? It is a matte finish. So I'm definitely here for this. Thank you so much once again. I was very honored that you guys reached out to me, and I love it, and I suggest it. So thank you, and get your matte beauty bombs, guys. So until next time, guys, this is Nessa Slays. Deuces. Bye.